Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Please subscribe to Big Foodies to get the latest recipes and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications. Friends, today we are cooking home style aloo matar ki sabji with very few ingredients. The best thing about this recipe is it's easy to cook and tastes best with anything like roti, paratha, rice and puris. And we have not used onion and garlic in this recipe. You can see that how delicious and tempting it is looking. Let's check the ingredients now to make aloo matar ki sabji. For making aloo matar ki sabji, we have heated the pan and taken 4 tablespoon oil. I have taken olive oil. You can take any kind of oil. Now, once oil is heated, add the asafoetida, pinch of asafoetida. Now, add 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Now add clove. Once cumin seed is brown, add a half inch of ginger, which I have already chopped it, and stir it. Stir it well. So we need to cook ginger for 20 seconds. It will give you nice flavor. Now add green chili. I have taken 1 green chili, which I have already chopped it. Stir it and cook it for 30 seconds. Once ginger and the green chili roasted, now add potato. So I have taken 2 medium-sized potato. Now mix it well. Now add salt as per your taste. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 2 teaspoon coriander powder, and put the flame on the medium low and mix it well. So we have to mix all the spices in the potato. And make sure that the spices should not burn. Now cover it for 2 minutes. Now 2 minutes over. Now we will check it. Now add half teaspoon roux moingu powder or amchur powder. Now add a tomato. I have taken 2 medium-sized tomato and chopped it. Now mix it well. Now add green peas. I have taken 1 cup of green peas. I have taken frozen green peas. If you have a fresh, you can take fresh one. Now mix it well. Now cover it for 5 minutes and put the flame on the medium low. So allow to cook the potatoes. So potatoes should not stick to the pan. Now 5 minutes is over. Now we will check it. Now we will stir it. Now add half teaspoon garam masala and mix it well. So now our potato is almost cooked. So now we will add water. We will check it. So still we have to cook our potato. So it is not cooked completely, but is a half cooked. Now we will add 2 cups of water. So you can add as per your requirement. So we have added 2 cups of water. Now mix it well. Now cover the lid, and now we have to cook it until the potato is cooked properly, until they become soft. Put the flame on medium. Now we will check it, and now our potato is soft. Now our matar aloo ki sabji is ready. Now we will add chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. So now our delicious aloo matar ki sabji is ready. Now we will serve it in a bowl. Now delicious aloo matar ki sabji is ready, and you can have with any chapati, rice or any kind of paratha. So it looks very delicious, and you can have it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.